Hello everyone. Let's start Unit 0 together. Do you have your theme and rubric? If you don't have your theme and rubric, please stop the video, go to Manabox, and download this document. You can download the document and use it on your computer. You can download the document and print it out and then take notes. Or you can download the document and take notes in your notebook. It's up to you. Okay, do you have your theme and rubric? Let's get started. First, let's read the theme. You are a second grade student at Moyes. Okay, I think this is important, so I will highlight it. In this unit, I am a second grade student at Moyes. Oh, that's true. You have experienced 1 year of language acquisition classes at Moyes, and you understand many things about LA class. Okay, language acquisition. Do you understand this? Language acquisition is the name of English class at Moyes. We used to call it Global Studies, but from now, we will call it language acquisition. And you understand many things about LA class. Language acquisition. LA. Oh, they're the same. Global Studies was GS. Language acquisition is LA. Okay. I understand many things about LA class, but do you understand everything? I don't know. Does LA class have any patterns? Patterns. Maybe. That's important. What is the structure of LA class? Oh, we talked about structure last year. Why does it have this structure? Okay. Why? In this unit, you will understand the structure of LA lessons at Moyes. Okay, one more time, structure. You will test your knowledge of LA lessons and prepare a presentation or pamphlet about one part of Moyes LA lessons. Okay, so here are the important parts in this unit. You are a second grade student at Moyes. Language acquisition class has patterns and structure. Let's understand that structure. And in this unit, there are 2 performance tests. You will test your knowledge. And you will prepare a presentation or a pamphlet about one part of Moyes LA lessons. So, if we look at this schedule checklist right here, this video will focus on this part. So you will test your knowledge. That's right here. So there's a LA or language acquisition quiz on Manabox. Okay, so that's the first part. And the second part, it says here, I will prepare a presentation on the computer or a pamphlet. So I could do the presentation on the computer or a pamphlet on the computer, or I could do a presentation using paper Or I could make a pamphlet using paper. So computer or paper, both are okay. And the last part of the lesson is turning in the presentation and the self-evaluation, A, B, C, D, on Manabox. Okay, so we have many things to do, and there's a checklist here and a checklist here. Last, you will turn in the presentation or pamphlet and the self-evaluation. It says A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is referring to the rubric. Let's go down and look at the rubric. So the rubric, there's 4 parts, A, B, C, and D. This rubric is very simple this time, so please read the rubric and try your best. Okay, let's get back to here. So, on this checklist, it says watch intro video 1 on YouTube. That's what you're doing now. Good job. After you finish watching this video, you can check the box. Now, let's focus on this part. It says write statement of inquiry. Statement of inquiry is a new part of LA lessons. So, let's check it out. Here is the conceptual framework. The conceptual framework. So here is the statement of inquiry. I will write my statement of inquiry inside here. Do you remember these 3 things? There's the key concept, the related concepts, and the global context. So I must write one sentence that connects all 3 together. We will do this each unit in LA class. So I will try to do this. Okay, systems. I think I understand systems. Let's check each one. This is patterns. Patterns, okay. I think I understand. A pattern is something that repeats. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, that's a pattern. Or 0, 1, 0, 1. This is also a pattern, so it repeats. This is purpose. Purpose is why something exists. For example, a teacher's purpose is to help students learn. So it's the purpose. And this one is long. Let's check it out. Scientific and technical. Innovation. Scientific and technical innovation. Okay. Maybe I can get some hints from the icon. Scientific sounds like science. And technical, maybe it means technology. And innovation, well, the icon looks like it's going up. So maybe it means getting better or improvement, improving, getting better. Okay, so now I'm going to think about how these 3 parts connect. Okay. Systems and patterns. Well, I think inside a system there are many patterns. So, patterns make up systems, or systems have patterns inside them. Inside a system, there are many patterns. Okay, maybe that's a connection. Systems and purpose. Well, do systems have a purpose? Yes, I think so. Well, what is the purpose of a system? I'll think about that later. And systems and scientific and technical innovation. Oh, okay, maybe the purpose of a system is to get better. Okay, I think I have an idea. I'll try. Patterns make a system. A system that has the purpose of getting better. So patterns make a system that has the purpose of getting better. Okay, it's not perfect, but I think I finished writing my statement of inquiry. Now, I'll go back up here and I'll give myself a check in the box. Okay, so I'm finished with this. Next, I will set my goal. We did this last year, setting a goal. Let's go to the bottom page. So here, I will write my goal. But first, it's difficult to set a goal if I don't understand what I should do. So, next, I will look at my rubric. I will read my rubric, and I will write notes in the spaces. Okay, everyone, I finished reading the rubric, and I finished writing my notes. I want to get a 7 to an 8. So, I wrote notes here. Of course, you can write notes in the other spaces as well. So, in order to get a 7 to an 8, I must understand most of the video on YouTube. So, on YouTube, I can stop the video and I can listen to difficult parts again. So this is my plan. I want to get a 7 to an 8. So I will listen to difficult parts again. That's for A. For B, I need to understand most of what the teachers and my classmates write in Manabox. We will be sharing our ideas. So I need to read and understand what the teacher and what my classmates write. So when I use Monobox, I will have a dictionary next to me. If a teacher or a classmate uses a difficult word that I don't understand, I want to look up the word in my dictionary very fast. So I will have my dictionary next to me when I use Monobox. That was for B. For C, I must share my ideas on Monobox many times. So, now I don't check Monobox very often. But if I want to share many of my ideas on Monobox, I will need to check Monobox twice a day. Maybe there's a new message from my teacher or my classmates. That was for C. If I check Monobox, I can share my ideas. And last one is D. My teacher and classmates can understand my presentation or pamphlet. So I think I will do a pamphlet. I'm not very good at computers. I do enjoy drawing. I have a computer, but I'm not very good at using it. I think making a pamphlet would be better for me. Maybe next time I can try to challenge making a presentation on the computer. But this time I will make a pamphlet. And it says, teacher and classmates can understand my pamphlet. I think that will be difficult because many people have different perspectives and viewpoints. So to make it easy to understand for everyone is very difficult. So I think I will finish early and get my family and friends to check my pamphlet. So that's my idea for D. Okay, I think I'm ready to write my goal. So I want to make easy to understand. My pamphlet should be easy to understand. So my goal is I will make a pamphlet that is easy to understand. Not only for me, but for my teacher and my classmates. This was from the rubric. I think this will be the most challenging part for me. I will make a pamphlet that is easy to understand for my teacher and my classmates. This is difficult for me. Well, this is difficult for me because everyone has a different perspective. So everyone thinking one thing is easy to understand is difficult. I tried last year many times, but some students, some classmates didn't understand. Thank you, autocorrect. So I will finish my pamphlet early and get advice from my friends and family. Last, I'll change my pamphlet. Change my pamphlet from the advice, using the advice. Okay, I think I'm finished writing my goal. I think this goal is challenging for me. Later on, I will revise my goal. But for now, I'm finished. Let's go back up to the top. Now, I just finished setting my goal, so I can put a checkbox. All right, I'm finished with that. Next, I need to organize and submit a week plan to Monobox. Organize and submit a week plan on Monobox. Oh, okay. So on Monobox, I can download the week plan. Have you downloaded the week plan? It looks like this. I have my name and my student number here. And here you can see it says hour, 1 hour each day. Hour 1, hour 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we look back on the theme and rubric, it says this project will take about 5 hours. So this is a recommendation from your teachers. Please don't try to do 5 hours in one day. It's not good. Instead, try 1 hour each day. So for example, if you start on Monday, so hour 1 would be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like that. Also, here's action, and there's nothing written here. So I will write my action here. This says deadline, all on Monobox. So I must meet these deadlines. All of these deadlines are on Monobox. There's one more thing. Do you see this icon? This icon is an ATL icon. Let's go back to the theme and rubric and check out the ATL skills. This unit, we have 3 different ATL skills. This icon is on the week plan. It says plan assignments to meet deadlines. So I need to plan so I can meet the deadlines. And the grammar I'll use is I must finish A by day. I'll finish blah 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 by blah blah blah. I must finish, I'll finish. Let's try. Okay. I must finish submitting my week plan by hour 1. So that means today I should submit my week plan. Okay, let's look at the next deadline. I must finish the quiz by hour 3. Okay. So the quiz, let's look at the schedule. The quiz is right here. So that means I must finish all of these things before I can take the quiz. So I must share my ideas on Monobox and watch LA research videos on YouTube before I take the LA quiz. Okay. And finally, I must submit my presentation, in my case, my pamphlet, and I must submit my self-reflection by hour 5. Okay, I think I understand what I need to do. Now I will make my week plan. Okay, everyone, I finished making my week plan. I must submit my week plan today. So first, I will do that. And remember, I must finish the quiz by hour 3. So I decided to take the quiz on right here. Before I take the quiz, I must finish all of these things. For example, I must share my ideas on Monobox, and I must watch the research videos on YouTube. So each day, or each hour, hour 1, I'll share my ideas on Monobox, and I'll start watching the videos and I'll take notes. Hour 2, also, I will share more ideas on Monobox and watch the videos again and take more notes. So each hour, I will work on both parts. And then, before the quiz, I will read the Monobox ideas and review my video notes. Then I'll be ready for the quiz. After I finish the quiz, I can review my answers and I can add to my notes. Then I will start reading the newspaper articles. The newspaper articles, do you know? So look here. I must submit my pamphlet and submit my self-reflection by hour 5. So I decided I would do that last. But if we look over here, I must read the newspaper articles on Monobox and make my pamphlet and do my self-evaluation and reflect on the statement of inquiry before I can turn it in. So, I must read the newspaper articles. My reading is very good. I have a high reading skill, so I don't think I need much time. So I will start on hour 3 if I have time. But if I have no time, I think I can read the newspaper articles in maybe 13 minutes. If your reading skill is not very high, maybe you need more time. But for me, I think this is okay. I will take notes and I will use highlighters. Then I will make my pamphlet. Remember, I want to finish my pamphlet early because I want to show my pamphlet to my friends and family, and I want to get advice. I want to ask my friends, is it easy to understand? So I'll get advice. And then hour 5, after I get the advice, I will change my pamphlet according to the advice that I got. Then I'll finish my self-reflection, and there's one more part. I forgot it. Did you see it? I need to reflect on my statement of inquiry. This is down here, reflecting on the statement of inquiry. So I'll do that last. Reflect on statement of inquiry. Also, you can see that I wrote these conceptual questions at the end of each day and these debatable questions. So, each hour I will do one question. And then by the last part, by hour 5, I will be ready to reflect on the statement of inquiry. So this is my week plan. I'm ready to submit my week plan and get started sharing my ideas on Monobox and starting to watch videos and taking notes. So after I submit my week plan on Monobox, I can check this box. And after you finish watching this video, you can check this box. Then all you have to do is share your ideas on Monobox and watch the LA research videos and get ready for the quiz on Monobox. Okay, everyone, if you have any questions, please ask your teachers in Monobox. We will check very often. We can answer your questions very quickly. Okay, everyone, enjoy! See you.